Hi guys, so today we are diving into the heart of Thai cuisine with a fragrant and flavorful dish, Thai green chicken curry. This classic Thai curry is known for its vibrant green color, creamy texture and a perfect balance of spicy, savory and sweet flavors. We'll be using fresh green curry paste, rich coconut milk and tender chicken to create a dish that's both comforting and exciting. Get ready for a taste of Thailand that's easier to make than you think. This recipe is perfect for a weeknight dinner or a special occasion. I'll guide you through every step from preparing the green curry paste to simmering the curry to perfection. So grab your ingredients and get ready to fill your kitchen with the exotic aromas of Thailand. And let's cook up the delicious and authentic Thai curry together. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. So now let's begin. So first, to make the Thai green curry paste, in a mixer jar add half tablespoon coriander seeds, half tablespoon cumin seeds, half tablespoon black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon white pepper powder, 1/4 cup palm sugar, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 3 stalks lemongrass cut in small pieces, 8 garlic cloves, 4 shallots roughly cut, 6 green chilies, 7 kaffir lime leaves, 1 fresh kaffir lime skin, 12 to 15 fresh coriander stems, half tablespoon shrimp paste, add some salt to taste, add half cup water and then blend it to a smooth paste. So the Thai green curry paste is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave it aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan add 1 cup coconut milk and then cook it until it is reduced to half or until it is nice and thick. As you can see that the coconut milk is nice and thick now. Then add the Thai green curry paste and give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it for about 10 minutes. Then give it a nice mix. Then add 650 grams chicken breast cut in medium pieces and give it a nice mix. Then add 600 ml coconut milk, 6 to 7 kaffir lime leaves, 1/4 cup palm sugar, 4 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 cup water and then give it a nice mix. Then add some salt to taste and cover it and cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then add 1 aubergine cut in medium pieces, add 1 courgette cut in medium pieces, add 1 red and green bell pepper cut in medium pieces, add 8 baby corns, 100 grams manjetoed peas, half cup basil leaves, 2 red chilies and then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it for about 15 minutes until vegetables are nice and soft. Then give it a nice mix. And cook it until the curry is nice and thick. Then give it a final mix. And there you have it guys, a fragrant and delicious Thai green chicken curry. Be sure to let me know in the comments below how your curry turned out. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more flavorful recipes. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for Thai green curry as much as I enjoyed sharing this recipe with you. This Thai green curry chicken is a perfect dish for a flavorful and satisfying meal. I hope you'll try this recipe at home and enjoy it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.